Hi everyone, this is Alert Day Trading. The purpose of this video and the videos I make is to journal my trades, notice any mistakes I'm making, focus on good behaviors I'm doing, and if you can learn anything from my mistakes and my good behaviors, that's definitely a bonus. So today, my plan was to not trade, and I wanted to work on my I'll work on gathering statistics and basically just test out a strategy I've been focusing on. And I've noticed that in general, the strategy I'm focusing on does really well. The only problem is sometimes I'll take trades that don't fall under that strategy. So it ends up not working very well. So what I'm trying to do right now is kind of just start from a place of, kind of in a way start over, but continuing what I've already been working on. And so basically, what I'm focusing on is trading stocks that are hitting their all-time highs. So I have a scanner here, it's got new yearly highs, but then I have to break that down. So if you look at the first one, you'll see it's making a yearly high, but it's not the all-time high. And if this is the max chart. So I'm not interested in this stock, so I'll just break it down, and you can see here this stock is trading at its all-time high, but then we just have to make sure, if we break it down to a daily chart, you'll see we broke above this red line, which is the all-time high. And so this is a stock I'll be interested in day trading, because if you look, there's no resistance above this line. And so then I'll break it down. I'll look at the 1 minute chart, and you can see here we break above the 1 minute and we have a pullback. So this might be an entry right here, and then we ended up making a high right here and then pulling back. I probably would not take this trade anywhere here, but as it broke above this all-time high again, I might enter right here. But the 1 minute usually is a little messy, so you have to be really careful with that. You can see the 3 minutes a little cleaner. So here we're breaking above the all-time high. Here's our pullback, and you can see it never came back from there. This would have been a great trade, but like I said, I'm not trading. I'm just kind of taking statistics. So you can see the 5 minute chart did really well as well. Here's the first pullback. Here's the second pullback and this high acted as support, and you can see this is about $8 move. So that's pretty good if you end up taking that trade. The 10 minute chart, we had one pullback right here after that second high, and also did very well. I was also looking at ZM, so that was GSX, and now I'm going to show you ZM, so you can see trading at the all-time high. We break it down, we'll go to the weekly chart, also trading at an all-time high, and then the daily chart, and it's breaking above this high right here, so it's trading at the all-time high. So we'll go to the 1 minute chart, and here we're breaking above. We had some pullback. The 1 minute we'd have ended up taking a loss. The 3 minute was really nice, would have had a really nice trade there. The 5 minute Also a nice pullback, nice gain. 10-minute time frame also. However, here probably would not have gotten a good risk to reward outcome, so this would have been risking about $3 to $4. So maybe 1-to-1, I would say a little bit less than 1-to-1 if we want to be exact. 234.70s, 231, so 350s. So we need the price to go $3.50, which would have been 238.10 ish. So we did not get all the way there. We almost got there. So probably like 1 to 0.8, 1 to 0.9 risk to reward here on the 10-minute chart. But still probably a trade I would have taken, but would have probably been extra strict on this time frame. So anyway, I just wanted to show you kind of what I was looking at and just journal my day. Like I said, no trades today, just kind of taking some statistics. And overall, I'm happy with the statistics that ended up coming out from this test. So I think what I'm going to do tomorrow is kind of the same thing, but actually take trades. But I'm going to try doing just take one share just to kind of throw in some of the emotions. So I might do just a one share experiment, and I do have a stop loss amount per trade that I focus on, but I'm just kind of taking a little break from that just because I've noticed my discipline needs improvement. I just need to do some I'll make a different video on this subject, but basically I've noticed I've been trading out of a fear of missing out, and I feel like I do well in day trading, in the day trade, so I won't take trades that I don't feel like I should take. So in that sense, I'm not trading out of fear of missing out of FOMO. But I do feel like when I need to take a step back and maybe not trade at all and do some statistical analysis, I will skip that step in fear of missing out. So I'll continue to day trade instead of doing what I feel like I'm doing now, and then I end up taking unnecessary losses. And ultimately, I feel like what I'm missing out is the discipline to stick to strict rules and only stick to those rules and criteria in terms of when I should take a trade or not. And I feel like I'm definitely refining those skills, but I think I need to refine them a little bit more before I jump back into taking actual trades. So that's what I'm working on right now. I'm very happy with my overall trend in terms of my trading behavior and sticking to stop losses, focusing on stocks that are in their all-time highs. Now what I just need to focus on is the more refinement in terms of when do I get in. And I'm breaking that down to the only way I enter a trade is if the price actually breaks above the most recent all-time high, and I wait for a pullback regardless of the time frame, and I take the trade. And so that is what I'm working on, taking statistics. So far today, I'm very pleased with the results I've gotten. So I'm going to continue my statistical analysis, but tomorrow I'm going to now do a 1 share per trade, just to throw in some of the emotion and the actual practice of entering the trade and so on. And as long as I'm happy with the statistics, I'll continue to increase my share size until I reach my stop loss amounts that I'm okay with taking stop losses. So probably gonna be about at least a week or two before I come back to my my full size. So anyway, if you have any questions about this video, let me know. Feel free to let me know. And again, just to remind you, the purpose of this video and the videos I make is to journal my trades, notice any mistakes I'm making, focus on good behaviors. And if you have any questions, let me know. And if you can learn from any of my mistakes and my good behaviors, that's definitely a bonus. And good luck.